The scorecard is the most important tool in your sales process. Most agents skip it or send it too late. Don't. The WiBiz Scorecard is a 2-minute self-assessment your prospect fills out. It shows them, in their own words, where they're leaking revenue. Missed inquiries, slow response times, no-show patterns, after-hours dead zones. It does 3 things for you. 1, it qualifies the prospect. High score on missed inquiries and slow follow-up, qualified lead. Low score across the board. Route them to nurture, not to WiBiz yet. 2, it gives you a conversation anchor. You don't have to guess what their pain is. They told you. Use it. 3, it creates urgency. When they see the dollar estimate next to hours lost per week, the conversation shifts. From "is this worth it?" to "how do we start?" Step 1, first contact, introduce yourself and the 1-sentence WiBiz position. Step 2, send the scorecard link, not the deck, not the pricing, the scorecard. This takes 2 minutes and shows you exactly where you're losing revenue. That's the frame. Don't oversell it. When they fill it out, here's how you use the results in conversation. Don't read the results back to them, ask about them. "I saw you flagged after-hours inquiries as your biggest gap. How many do you think you're missing each week?" Let them tell you. The number they give you is more powerful than any number you could give them. Then apply the ROI framework. Hours saved per week times hourly labor rate equals monthly value. Monthly value minus WiBiz plan cost equals net monthly savings. If WiBiz captures even half of those missed inquiries at your current booking value, that's X dollars a month. The platform is $499. The math isn't hard. Scorecard first, every time. Before the deck, before the pricing, before anything else.